Hey, what's up guys, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is back in the leaks. Samsung could be bringing a big camera upgrade that will blow your mind. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will have several new technologies which we have never seen before. According to the latest info coming from Ice Universe on its Weibo account, that Samsung could be bringing the world best zoom camera setup to the Galaxy S22, and that technology is going to be a continuous zoom camera setup. A continuous zoom setup would be similar to the DSLR zoom, in which it will allow you to zoom seamlessly. We don't lose the quality at any point of time when zooming. So this means that the continuous zoom will be providing a better quality of images in the smartphone right now. In the Galaxy S21 Ultra, as of now, we have a limitation that we only have two different options. We have 3x and 10x zoom capabilities, and in order to achieve the best quality, we only use the 3x and 10x zoom qualities, but and in between them Samsung is using a hybrid technologies, so that lose the quality of the images. So in order to overcome that, Samsung could be using the continuous zoom technology as the Ice Universe is claiming. So we can assume that this is going to be an absolutely amazing technology that Samsung is going to be bringing inside their camera. Another thing that Ice Universe has mentioned on his leak, that we are also going to see an under display camera sensor in the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and that is going to be pretty amazing. As you have already know in the leaks that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to be coming with an under screen camera, so this is going to be pretty exciting because Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is coming next year, and at that time the technology is going to be even more advanced, so we can expect that the under display camera is going to be even better. So I'm super excited about that as well. Last but not the least, the most awaited Samsung plus AMD collaboration is finally happening. For the first time, the AMD GPU is going to be coming inside the smartphone with Exynos 2200 processor, which is going to be coming in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm super excited about that collaboration because, as you already know, that the GPU performance of the Exynos 2200 is going to be even better by using the AMD GPU inside the Exynos 2200 processor, and it's going to be even matching with the Apple A14 Bionic. I'm super excited about that processor, which is going to be coming in the S22, and that processor is expected to be launched in later this year. So guys, that is it in this particular video. All in all, I am pretty much excited about the S22 under display cameras and also the continuous zoom capabilities, and one of the important thing is the AMD and Samsung collaboration. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, which feature of the Galaxy S22 you are looking forward. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.